Greetings, Titan families. Welcome to our LHA virtual open house. Before we jump into the format of this evening, I just want to pause and express my deepest gratitude for all you have been holding this past year. No matter the role you hold as an LHA Titan, parent, grandparent, student, teammate, you all have demonstrated the true spirit of what it means to be Titan strong. In fact, in March last year, we were entering into the unknown world of distance learning. And here we are, entering into the world of figuring out how to reopen our schools. And even though our physical doors closed, our educators and you know firsthand that LHA never closed. Serving kids never stopped. Our thinking changed, our supports were adapted, and we learned what communal resistance and resiliency truly feels like. This has been a tumultuous year of ups and downs and figuring things out as we go. I am eager for what comes next. And I'm also excited to continue to bring our scholars back to campus. Let's make this quarter the best one yet for our Titans, and together figure out how to return to campus safely. Together, we will rise as Titans again. With educators and support staff having access to vaccines and frequent COVID-19 testing, I have had many moments of feeling like I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, where we are back together under one LHA roof again, serving the young people we so deeply care about. And our acute needs program and our reopening sixth grade plans are proof of this, that we will be interacting with and celebrating our scholars in person again, with plenty of smiles to be had. And I continue to be energized around our work with Visioning LHA, that every Titan scholar is prepared for college and life success. And tonight, you will see student work that speaks to our mission statement, that underscores the tremendous work of our virtual classrooms, our teachers, and our beliefs of continuum of care, social and racial justice, visual and performing arts, and STEM. We have some great sessions for you to engage with us this evening. And our 3 sessions are grounded in our 3 big rocks. So you may remember that from our Saturday school in September. But the big rocks are reopening, academic acceleration, and resilience. Each session will be 20 minutes long in a breakout room within this Zoom room, to showcase our students and specific topics we want to get in front of you. You can choose which topic you would like to learn more about by using the 4 square breakout room icon in the bottom Zoom toolbar. And if you have any technical difficulties, no worries. Our main room, which you're in right now, can direct you to your breakout room of choice. We appreciate you spending time with us this evening and hope you truly feel the Titan rising. Happy open house and go Titans!